Hello guys, it's me, Arrowhead4 again, and yeah, it is 5:30. This is an hour 45 minutes later, and yeah, the snow has really came down, and as you can see in the light, it is really coming down. Traffic is moving slow. Not a good day to drive. My uncles came home from work on Interstate 3, I-355, 53. And he has been on the road for now 2.5 hours. So yeah, pretty crazy. It normally takes him like 20 minutes to get home, and pretty crazy. But yeah, it's crazy snow. This is worse than the one back in 1967, I hear. So I don't know. Only time will tell. More videos on the way.